For the next equation, which is 16 over 4 radical 16 to the power of 3, this one's a little bit more tricky as it's a multiple step process. First thing you have to do here is you have to change this radical back into an exponent. Using the formula given in the last one, you're going to put the numerator. You're going to leave the numerator alone because it's just 16, and you're going to change the bottom into 16 to the power of 3/4. It's a little blurry again. Okay. But the reasoning for why you're changing the fraction to 3/4 is because, similar to the last one I told you, the fraction that's going to be inside the radical with the base is going to be the numerator, and the number that's outside the radical is going to be your denominator, which is why it gives you 16 over 3/4. Now, any number that does not have an exponent right here will automatically always have a 1. Because it's going to be because right here it's going to be 16 by itself, so it's 16 to the power of 1. Goodness, it's all 16 to the power of 1. So when you have a numerator and a denominator that have the same base, what you could do is subtract the fractions or the exponents. So what you do here is 1 minus 3/4. For now, the base stays the same at 16. You're going to do 1 minus 3/4. Converting 1 into 4 over 4, that's 4/4 over 3/4, which is equal to 1/4. So that gives you 16 and 1/4. Finally, what you have to do is make this into radical form using the only base that's left over. So draw out your radical and place your base. The numerator was 1/4, so it's going to be 16 to the power of 1. And outside the radical is going to be a 4. So that gives you 4 radical 16 over 1.